Hey everybody, so in this video, this is the part 2 of how to have a nice theme for the reseller account. If this is your first time watching this, I'm just showing how to have a really nice reseller account website that you can sell your GoDaddy products. Now, this is the easier way to do it. The last video is how I did mine. It works really good, but that's like for people that probably already have a theme. They don't want to change anything because with what I'm gonna show you right now, you pretty much have to start over because you need to use Elementor. So if for some reason you're already using Elementor, then it's gonna be much easier. But if not, this is like the easier way, but also the one that's gonna take you probably a little bit more time because you have to start over. The last video shows you how to use your current site and just adding one plugin to integrate your products on the pages that you need to be selling these services or products from GoDaddy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to install the Elementor plugin. Once it's installed, they have a free version, and then if you pay, you can have access to a lot of more stuff. But even with the free version, you're going to be able to do this. Second thing is I'm going to show you how to do it just in case you haven't done it. We're going to install the GoDaddy reseller plugin. So we're going to go add a new plugin. And so right here, we're going to type GoDaddy reseller. We're going to install. And I'm going to activate. And then once it's here, I'm gonna log in. For this part, I'm gonna have to pause the video a little bit just so I don't show my personal information. So once you log in, it's gonna start adding all your products. So perfect. Now you have all the products that you need. So what I would recommend now is going on pages, and here you're gonna go and create the pages that you need. Like I say, you can use my other website to have a reference. Okay, so this is my other website. So you're gonna need a domain registration, a domain transfer, a website builder page, a WordPress page. So you're gonna need all these pages, okay? Or you can also go to your reseller control, go under navigation, and you're also gonna see which pages you need. Okay, so this is for reference. So now that we do this part right here, what do you say? I'm gonna close this one because I don't need it. This one as well. Okay, so once you added your reseller store plugin from GoDaddy, you have your products. You're gonna go to pages, and you're gonna start creating each page. So for an example, we're gonna create the cPanel page. Okay, so we're gonna name it cPanel, and then we're gonna click publish. Now, if you're using, like me, another plugin for design or for customizations, stick to the Elementor because that's where you're gonna be able to do what I'm about to show you. If you use WP Bakery or any other plugin, most likely it's not gonna work. So stick with the Elementor. So you click here, it's gonna load a page, and now here is where you can customize your theme however you want to. Okay, so for example, if you don't like this banner right here, because I'm already using this website for something else, so that's why this is here. But let's say for yours, it might not have this menu, it might look a little bit different. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go on the settings right here, and then I want to see the layout of the page. So usually I like to use Elementor canvas because it gives me a little bit more customization, but you can play around. Okay, you can do a full width, so it will use the whole screen. It's up to you. So you can even see what it's kind of looking like. See, it takes the whole page. But for me, like I said, I like to use the Elementor canvas, and then just loading. Now we're gonna add a section. The cool thing about Elementor is that you can use templates. So there's some free templates, there's some other templates, whatever. So we're gonna insert this one, and then it's pretty much gonna create the whole layout, and then you can just change things. So for some reason it gave me an error on here, so let's try this one. Oh, the reason why it's doing that is because I disconnected my my Elementor account from my Envato account, where I get all my my library. So I'm just gonna try to insert one that I already have here. But if you pretty much use Elementor for a while, you're gonna start noticing how things are. Okay, now that you have the template that you're looking to use, this is pretty much super easy because you don't have to download any additional templates. All you gotta do is just organize how you want everything to look. And here, this is where the magic begins. We're gonna go on here. We're gonna delete this, and we're gonna add a text. Okay, and why a text? Because when you add code, you can add code here and it's gonna work. Okay, but if you're for some reason don't want to use this one, you can just delete it. And now we're gonna type widgets, and if you're here on widgets, we can find your products. Okay, so it says a reseller product, so I can add it here, and then I can go here and select which product I want. This is so cool. I'm even getting excited about you because your website is gonna look amazing. So let's say we're gonna do the C panel, right? So we're gonna add one product, and then you can decide if you want to use a thumbnail, a large, icon. You can decide what you want it to look like. Original size. You can do like hide image. This is something important to know. If you hide the image, what's gonna happen is you can go here and add your own icon, so it doesn't look like like everybody else's. So I can come here and I can do type icon, and I can add it right here on top of my product, and just icon library, and I can change it. Or I can also add an image instead of an icon, and look, that started looking good. Then here it shows what I want to show product title. Okay, I want the product title, I don't want a product title. You can customize it as much as you want. Okay, I wish I knew this when I built my site, because it is much easier. I had to do like 10 different steps. I'm even like thinking right now I should not even upload the other video, but I'm gonna do it so you kind of see the difference. So then every product is here. So now we're gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete it, and again you're gonna type a widget. You're gonna find the product, right? So in this case is reseller product. Again, you're gonna go find the product that you're adding. So we say we're doing all the C panels, so we're gonna do the ultimate, and then I'm gonna hide the image, and I'm gonna add my own image right here. So I'm gonna do icon, I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna do something like that. Like I say, you can do something completely different. Now let's do an image just to show you what it will look like. I'm gonna delete this icon right here, and I can click on here and find some image that I want to use. Okay, So you can customize it. These ones are the ones that came with your what do you call it, with your reseller account. But you can also go to flat icon. If you didn't know about this tool, it's really cool because it's free. So you can go and customize your own icon. So for example, you have to log in, of course, but once you log in, you can go and customize anything. So for example, you're looking for social media, right? And let's say you like this one right here. Sometimes it doesn't show you a lot, so you gotta play. So you can just put, for example, Facebook, and you have to be playing with the words, the keywords right here. So if it shows you a little crown, it's because you have to pay for them, but for the most part, you don't have to. So let's put social icons, and there you go. Okay, so now let's say you see an icon that you really like. You can click on it. Once you log in, you can, go here and customize it. You can change colors. You can make it as pretty as you want, and then you can download it on the size that you want. Okay, then you go back to your, to your page. You upload it, and now you can add your own color icon for your product. Perfect. So now let's say you like everything. Now all you gotta do is just click update, and let's see what it looks like. Boom. So as you can see, I just did it super quick, but if you click on it, now it's gonna go to the product, right? And remember what I told you before, how you can, link these domains back to your website. Because if you don't do it, then when you click on it, it's gonna take you to the old GoDaddy website builder, or theme, whatever you want to call it. So just make sure you go into your reseller account, under settings, navigation, and once you have created all the pages that you need inside your WordPress account, then copy each link for each page, come here and edit, and add each of them to the respective card. So each product needs to be connected to the page that you created. That way, when people are navigating, if they get, for some reason, like, they're trying to check out and they end up here, and for some reason they go back, they don't end up going somewhere else that you don't want them to. So for example, if somebody clicks on it, it should take them back to, see, this is because this one is not connected, because this one was a website sample. It's taking them back to the website builder that GoDaddy give you, which sucks. It looks really ugly. So remember to make sure you connect everything. Hopefully this video wasn't confusing. Hopefully I bring you a lot of value. Like I say, if you need help, come to my website here on bitso.com and schedule a consultation with me. I'll be very happy to help you. I love giving back to the community. So if I can, help you in any way, just schedule a consultation, and then we can do a Zoom call. Select the time that works for you. If it's already taken, unfortunately, then just find one that works, and then I can help you connect it if you need help. Also, if you want to come in, ask me about something that maybe I didn't mention, just let me know. But watch the first video, because I did talk a lot about how to connect the links and what's important. But this is the video that's gonna give you the most value, because it's much easier than doing it the way I did it. So let me know. Have a wonderful evening, guys.